Are you getting ready to do a major renovation in your yard? Are you installing a pool? Are you planting beautiful shrubs? Are you planting trees along the side of your home? Before you do that, make sure that you review your survey. That's right. If you did not get a survey at closing, you want to order one because number one, the survey will ascertain and let you know if you're going to mess up your drainage by putting those wonderful bushes and those trees alongside your house. And it will also show you if there are any utility easements in your backyard that will keep you from installing that great, wonderful Olympic-sized pool. That's the importance of a survey. So know before you blow it. I'm Roz Booker, Principal Broker, CEO of Arbrook Realty. We're a full-service real estate company here to serve all of your real estate needs. Give us a call.